Oh, come here, it's lightning.
Don't get me wet, don't get me wet.
What'd you say?
I'm not scared.
You're not scared? You want to do it again? Go.
Last time I'm going again.
He's inside. Better soaked.
Go see. Yeah, go. Was that fun? Was it fun?
Yeah. Who's doing that still? Okay.
Look and see if there's cars first. Hurry up. Jump up and down in there.
How wet are you, Kylie? Let me see. Let me see, Kylie. Go, go, go. What's this? Secret Oreo.
Sissy, look at me. Is that fun?
Yeah. Okay.
Just make sure there's no cars.
I'll go first and then, okay? Hey! Look at her. She runs fast. Oh, faster than me.
Go, Tyler.
It looks like it's brown
Go. Hurry up, go.
string. It looks like it's brown string.
All right, go.
Ah! No! I'm about to get soaked.
That's all right. You can have a bath.
It's getting stuck in my eye.
Go in the stream.
It's getting
Yeah.
My feet are getting wet.
That's all right.
Yeah, mine too.
That's all right.
And it's soaked. So you want some?
No, don't get me wet, baby, please. Look at Sissy. Go. If you see lightning, come in. Go, Tyler. You know what Daddy used to do?
What?
I used to go down in there and sit down in that stuff. It's just rainwater. You can get a bath
Now I'm gonna get a bath now.
in a minute. Go.
On hands.
Yeah, hold her hand and go down.
Back.
Ready, go. Hold her hand. Come on,
You're
go.
not strong enough. Ha, ha, ha.
Don't be scared.
Yeah.
All right, no bath for Tyler. Just for Sissy.
Okay, one more time. That's all.
All right, go.
Look at my hand. I got her.
Go.
Why are cars going?
Tyler, go.
Okay, one more time. Okay, I'm done. That's all. Did you just see that? I just saw the lightning.
If you see it over you, then come in.
I got it.
All right. Sissy is soaking wet.
Me too.
You're not that wet. Your hair's still dry.
No? It's right in the... Ready?
You can go down there and kick the water, too. Make big splashes.
Go. Hey, let me see you first, Kylie. Go, go, go.
Look for cars.
I'm making Mommy's car wet.
Oh, watch Sissy. Look. Kick it.
I'll show you one.
There you go. Kick it like a big puddle.
Kylie, I'll show you.
Now jump up and down. Big splashes. Big splash. Hurry up. Big one.
I'm done. Can we leave our boots in here?
Yeah.
We're all just-
You're all done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's leave our boots.
Was that fun?
Yeah. That's the